What will this guide cover? What will you be learning in this Magento tutorials? So let's see what are the sessions that we are going to cover over here. So session 1 is installation, explains you all you need to know about the setting up your own local installation of Magento or installing Magento at the hosting provider using Installatron. Session 2 will be general configuration, that will talk about Magento as very versatile but complex product. But adding your products, you will first need to take a closer look at setting up your online store. In this session, you will also learn to set up the tax calculations. Session 3 is categories and attributes, that explains that one of Magento's strength is the way it can handle almost every product type. In this session, you will learn to work with product categories, product attributes, and product sets. Session 4 comprises of simple products, that talks about adding your first product in your store. During this session, you will learn how to set properly your products and which fields are important to pay attention to. Session 5 will be covering beyond adding simple products, that explains how you have added your first product and it's time to explore the other possibilities Magento offers to set up your product catalog. You will learn to work with downloadable and configurable products. Session 6, customer relationships, talks about looking at the other areas, starting with the possibilities Magento offers for setting up and maintaining your customer database. Session 7, accepting payments, that explains that before being able to start selling, you will need to set up the payment systems so that you will be able to achieve and receive a payment from your customer. In this session, we'll show you how to use Magento's common payment methods and how to add your own using a payment service providers. Session 8, configuring shipping. So in this session, we'll teach you to work with built-in shipping methods of Magento, and we'll also include an instruction to work with different kinds of shipping rates. Session 9, customizing your store's appearance, that explains what is often one of the first thing that you would like to do, changing the look and feel of your online store. However, now that you have learned to work with Magento, it's right time to work in this area and change the way your online store will look. Session 10, fulfilling orders. Everything is set up now to start receiving your first order, but once you do, how do you take control of your order process? In this session, you will learn how to work with orders, shipping, invoices, and credit notes. Session 11 is about maintaining and administering your store. Explains that once your store has been set up, you are not finished yet. Maintaining your online store is an ongoing process and you have just started it. In this session, you will learn which areas you should pay attention to. Besides that, we have added a checklist that you may use before bringing your store live. So these are the things that we will be covering in the Magento's beginner's guide, which will help you to install, set up, configure your store, setting up the taxes, fulfilling the orders, customizing the store's appearance, look and feel, administering your store, and maintaining it. So this was all about the sessions that we'll be covering in this tutorial guide.